Handcrafted men's comb provides maximum grooming comfort. Baxter of California combs are made of high-quality cellulose acetate in a 12-step manufacturing process, resulting in smoothly tapered teeth and rounded tips. Comb with smoothly tapered teeth and rounded tips for comfort. 7.75 inches long. Perfect holiday gift. Can be used to tame hair, eyebrows, or beard. Handcrafted men's comb provides maximum grooming comfort. Made in Switzerland, the men's comb features smoothly tapered teeth and rounded tips for comfort. Baxter of California combs are made of high-quality cellulose acetate in a 12-step manufacturing process, resulting in smoothly tapered teeth and rounded tips. Top reviews from the United States. Very pleased with the durability. I bought this comb recently to replace the very cheap and flimsy one I received with a hair trimmer. I wasn't too sure what to expect from a $20 comb, but the reviews spoke highly of it and I based my decision on that. After a week of use I am very satisfied with my purchase.